Every place has a flavor that stays with you. Being from Orissa, fish has always been a part of my home and my memories. But every time I taste Kerala style fish fry, it feels like discovering a new story through the same love for fish. The aroma, the beautiful color, and that perfectly crisp bite make it so special. It's amazing how one ingredient can be celebrated in so many different ways across India. Today, I'm bringing a little taste of Kerala into my kitchen. Every bite reminds me that food isn't just about eating, it's about connecting with different cultures, creating memories, and sharing them with the people we love. If you love fish as much as I do, this one is definitely worth trying. If you love fish as much as I do, give this Kerala style fish fry a try. See you in the next video. Until then, happy cooking!